महिला सशक्तिकरण को बढ़ावा देने वाली संस्था फ्लाइंग फेम द्वारा आयोजित मिस मिसेज एंड टीन फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया सीजन 3 के विजेताओं का ग्रैंड होम कमिंग समारोह नोएडा स्थित रेडिसन ब्लू में किया गया। कार्यक्रम का नेतृत्व संस्था की संस्थापक एवं मेंटर आशी बग्गा ने किया। देश भर से आई प्रतिभागियों ने इस राष्ट्रीय मंच पर अपनी प्रतिभा और आत्मविश्वास का प्रदर्शन किया। मिस कैटेगरी मिस फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया 2025 का खिताब कर्नाटक की रचिका सुरेश ने अपने नाम किया, जबकि अंकना सेन गुप्ता प्रथम रनर अप और अनन्या सिंह द्वितीय रनर अप रही। इस अवसर पर मिस कैटेगरी की विजेताओं ने अपने अनुभव साझा किए। आइए सुनते हैं उन्होंने क्या कहा।
I came here nothing, lot of self-doubt, and I didn't believe myself. That Hashim ma'am bring out me very well. My mentor, my agency, bring me a lot of things, changed me in that. I'm really so glad and grateful to be moment. Thank you so much, ma'am. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಪೋರ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ.
It has been the first time that I participated in a professional pageant like this, and trust me, I'm extremely grateful to the Flying Family and, of course, Ashi Bagga ma'am for supporting me. One message that I would really love to give to the young girls is that do not stop believing in yourself. And if you are looking for a professional journey in this pageant industry, I think Flying Femme is exactly where you are supposed to be. For your dreams to be fulfilled, for everything, for your support and for your future, this is the place which can actually give wings to your
Hi everyone, I am Ananya Singh, your Miss Flying Femme India 2025 second runner-up. One quality of Ashi ma'am that inspires me a lot is her confidence. Her confidence is just through the roof, and I believe that it has taken her a lot of time to create something that is so beautiful, that inspires other girls. And trust me, she has the quality to be that mentor to everybody out there, to all the young girls out there. So her confidence, her resilience, her discipline, and her power to believe in herself is something that inspires me so much. It's Trust me, it's like my favorite, and she'd be yours too.
I think the biggest mantra for anybody, be it my winners or be it any contestant who is watching this video, I think the best, mantra that everybody everybody should believe on is to believe in themselves and do not just stick to a particular pageant. I think we are growing in pageant industry a lot. No, I think just it's not about only Miss Mrs. and Teen Flying from India. I think we should keep trying in different pageants and just grow yourself, learn from any pageant that you're participating, because participating in pageants, getting experience and exposure is something that makes you even more confident. So I feel that it's just that you don't have to stop yourself and just keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep participating in pageant, because pageant is not just about walk or about Q&A. It actually develop your all over personality.
मिसेज कैटेगरी मिसेज फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया 2025 का खिताब उत्तर प्रदेश की अनीता राय निगम ने जीता। वहीं प्रिया अरोड़ा द्वितीय रनर अप रही। विजेताओं ने कहा कि यह मंच महिलाओं को नई पहचान और आत्मविश्वास देता है। आइए सुनते हैं इनकी बात।
I could inspire many women, and confidence has no validity, no age limit. I'm here today as example that anybody can dream, anybody can go in their path, and of course, Flying Fam is there to help you out.
Mentor the girls in terms of their communication skills, speech delivery, stage fear, confidence, and everything. And as a personal front, I developed a very good relationship with the founder, Ms. Ashi Bagga of Flying Femme India. I have learned so many things from her. She is too young, and there's so much to learn from her. Discipline, punctuality, and the way she conducts. She wants everything perfect, to be on time, and her resilience teaches me lot of things. Hats off to her. With just few key people, she is developing a platform which is not giving opportunity to teen and miss category who are not married, but mothers, and the married people, mothers like us, women who are married, who has a lot of responsibility, and she is developing that platform, and it's all about women
Even
empowerment.
if you're married or single, or even if you are living with your parents and your parents doesn't support you, or any family member doesn't support you, or even your, I mean, husband or anybody, I think it's not about taking permission from anybody. It's just that you need to decide that what exactly you need to do in your life, be it teen category, miss category, or Mrs. category. With all the respect to all the family members, when I started my career, I really remember, I believe at that moment, if I could have listened to listened to other people, that you should not do this and that, and I could have not, I was not organizing this kind of pageant, and I was not able to give this kind of platform to anybody today. So it's just that you need to listen to your heart, and I'm not saying that you fight with your parents or family. It's just that you need to make them understand that this is your life, this is your decision, and you should not stop.
टीन कैटेगरी टीन फ्लाइंग फेम इंडिया 2025 की विजेता केरल की करण अर्नेस्ट बनी, जबकि शिफा बदूशा फर्स्ट रनर अप और दिया पाटिल सेकंड रनर अप रही। युवा प्रतिभागियों ने इस मंच को अपने सपनों की शुरुआत बताया। आइए सुनते हैं उन्होंने क्या कहा।
From Kerala, there is no such pageants. So I'm very grateful to come here for this grand homecoming, and this is absolutely very, very grand.
You are doing what you are loving, so just do it with 100%. You give it your 100%. You can make it. Even if you don't make it, it's fine. You have the potential. That's all the thing that she was saying. And also my parents, my family, they were so supportive. Uh, I never had thought that I will make something this bigger for me myself.
That I have been taught from Ashimam is that, first of all, I want to say that winning is not just about, getting a crown and holding. It's about the responsibilities that you share. And second thing, it's about the growth, self-belief, and resilience that I've learned from Ma'am. Ma'am has always told me to believe in myself no matter what. It's okay whether you win or lose. What matters is and you can inspire others.
I'm not getting biased, but I think I was really, involved and connected with this, especially with the teen categories, and I really love to do gossips with them. So there was, I was really involved with the teen category, and I really enjoyed time with them. I really enjoyed doing gossips with them, and I think they are my friends now. So definitely, handling Miss category and Mrs. category was one of the experience that I was experiencing. But this time, handling teen category is, I think, the best thing happened to our pageant, because I finally made friends. Thank you.
स्पेशल टाइटल्स मिस फ्लाइंग फेम ग्रैंड इंडिया 2025 का खिताब पूजा और मिस फ्लाइंग फेम ग्लोबल इंडिया 2025 का खिताब शिवांगी शर्मा को दिया गया। सम्मान प्राप्त विजेताओं ने संस्था के प्रति आभार व्यक्त किया। आइए सुनते हैं उनकी प्रतिक्रिया।
I want to thank Ashi Bagga ma'am and Flying Femme organization because I was able to come out of the hood and talk about this to a wider audience. This is the first time that I've been given such an amazing platform. My mentor, Ashi ma'am, she has helped me overcome all of the fear that I had. And today, here I am advocating for this and just telling all the young ladies, younger generation, that be confident in yourself. And as I say in my mother tongue, Telugu, dhairyam, sahasam, ichha. Thank you.
One of the biggest thing, Ashi ma'am is my mentor. She is like a family. She treats us like a family member. She teach us how to behave, how to walk, our manners on the stage that we can show. She teaches single things, each and single things that the things can help in our future. So that's why what we are here today only because of
It is
her.
always a very hard decision to decide few winners. So that is why we're trying to increase the categories, and we're launching these categories, Miss Flying Femme Grand India and Miss Flying Femme Global India, which is definitely an add-on to our pageant, and which is definitely giving us such an amazing winners like Pooja and Shivangi. So I'm really glad that we are, able to put on definitely more categories in our pageants.
कार्यक्रम के दौरान विजेताओं ने अपनी सफलता की यात्रा साझा करते हुए बताया कि फ्लाइंग फेम महिलाओं को आत्मविश्वास, नेतृत्व और